Hi students, let us discuss the chapter insulation. This is the 14th chapter of your geography and we'll be discussing in this chapter mainly the meaning of insulation and terrestrial radiation and the factors affecting the temperature. So there are only two topics we need to discuss under the chapter insulation. Remember the meaning of insulation and terrestrial radiation and the factors affecting temperature. So in the first session we will discuss the meaning of insulation and terrestrial radiation, and the next chapter, that means next session, we will discuss the factors affecting temperature. So this will be the session of which explain the meaning of insulation and terrestrial radiation in very simple manner. Hi students, let us start discussing the topic insulation. In this topic we have to mainly discuss about insulation and terrestrial radiation. Children, let's see what is insulation and terrestrial radiation. So as you can see in the diagram, what is insulation? Insulation is the solar radiation which is reached to the earth. Otherwise we can say sun rays which are reaching to the earth from the sun to the earth's surface during the daytime can be called as insulation. Otherwise we can say the heat energy. The heat energy which is received from the sun by the earth during the daytime can be called as insulation. Then, what is terrestrial radiation? You children, you know that the sun ray, the heat energy which is received by the earth from the sun cannot be retained on the earth. Okay, so the earth is sending back this heat energy to the space. Okay, so the earth radiate back the heat energy is called as terrestrial radiation. So the heat energy which is radiated back to the space by the earth is called terrestrial radiation. Clear? So insulation is always short wavelength. Insulation is always, because it do not cover larger distance. Okay, it travel short wavelength. So it is short wavelength. Insulation is always short wavelength, and terrestrial radiation is always in the form of long wavelength. Clear for you? So in simple term we can say what is insulation. Insulation is the incoming solar radiation. The incoming solar radiation can be called as insulation, and this is the incoming solar radiation. Incoming solar radiation can be called as insulation, and outgoing radiation can be called as, so outgoing radiation can be called as terrestrial radiation. So incoming solar radiation is always in the form of short wave, and outgoing radiation which is sent to the space by the earth is always in the form of long wave. So what is the definition of insulation and terrestrial radiation? The simple definition of insulation is that incoming solar radiation which is received by the earth in the form of short wave can be called as insulation, and the radiation which is sent back to the space by the earth is in the form of long wave can be called as terrestrial radiation. Is that clear? Now let us see from the textbook these sentence, then from where, and you have to study the definition. So you can follow the simple definition as I have explained. Otherwise you can learn from the textbook also the explanation. You see in the textbook what is it is given. The radiant energy of the sun received by the earth is called the incoming solar radiation or insulation. This means what? Incoming solar radiation from the sun which is received by the earth in the form of short wave is called insulation. Then what is terrestrial radiation? The sun's energy which is absorbed by the earth's surface and radiated out by it in the form of long waves. Otherwise in simple term you can say that the outgoing solar radiation in the form of long wave can be called as terrestrial radiation. I hope these points are very clear. So let us see, children, the reduced syllabus, which are the topic we need to discuss under this chapter, insolation. When we discuss about the topic insolation, that means that is all about temperature. Okay, how the earth is receiving the temperature from the sun and how the earth is retaining this temperature, all these things. Okay, that is what all about we are discussing in the topic insolation. So in the syllabus we have to study the meaning of insolation and terrestrial radiation. So we have already discussed the meaning of insolation and terrestrial radiation. Then we have to also discuss one more topic, that is factors affecting temperature. So we have to discuss in detail about which are the factors mainly affecting the temperature of the earth. So that means the earth is receiving the sun's heat, that means solar energy, in the form of insolation during the daytime, and this is all the places, all over the place, this solar the heat energy is received by the earth is not equal. Now how the earth is distributing this heat energy and how the different areas are affecting the temperature. Okay, so different areas have got different level of temperature. Now what are the factors affecting the temperature of these different places? That is what we are going to discuss in this topic.